Wait, what are we gonna say?
Wow.
What? wait, I have nightmare.
I have nightmare.
Wait, do Rebecca. Be Rebecca.
I am Rebecca.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, you guys, wait.
You're gonna witness our call to James right now. Get your phone.
I'm getting my phone.
Get it. This is exciting, I swear.
You guys don't even.
No! Just kidding.
Hold on, we're calling James.
Serious.
You guys, quiet. Hold on, you
Quiet
guys.
people
This
watching.
This is funny.
Okay.
I make myself giggle in my pants. Okay, we need to stop. We need to calm down. Hold on. Can you hear it?
Carly has a loud vibrator.
Oh.
Okay,
Shh. It's Rebecca. I'm calling you again. It's Rebecca. Call me back. I need advice. Yeah. That's
So we just saw Alvin and the Chipmunks and
I know. They have nightmares. Seriously.
wow. Okay, Chris.
Okay, Chris. You want to tango? Hey, wait. We're making Okay Chris famous. Chris White, you're famous. Okay, Chris.
Actually, no. We're making You Just Got Packed famous.
No.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so instead of You Just Got Burned, I guess it's going to be
You just got packed.
Stupid.
Not even. She's freaking
Wait,
retarded.
she can't
She's
see
gonna
me.
split your wrists or cut your wrists vertically.
No,
like,
slit your wrist vertically.
No,
yeah,
that's
let me
freaking-
jack it on.
Shut up. That's stupid.
I don't care. No, seriously. Oh yeah, and ready? Oh yeah, it's gonna be revolutionary.
You know what
Like
I realized?
peanut butter and jelly.
No, you know what I realized?
What?
How the hell do people have talk shows for 20 minutes online? They must seriously have no
It's like,
lives. 'cause we're already
this is London Tipton. Yay me!
we're like, we've been on for like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god, my phone.
Your phone vibrates like you have a vibrator.
Oh, it's Lindsay. Okay.
That's on camera.
Just kidding. It was James.
JK, hi,
JK.
my name's Carly. You have pills, so I can pill pop. Just kidding.
You need to calm yourself down. I
You
think we need to make another call right now. I'm bored.
Okay, wait,
Who
why?
are we gonna call?
Ghostbusters! Woo!
No, definitely not them. But
I think we're making the dog go crazy.
Oh wait, we're calling Trevor. We're calling Trevor. It's James' best friend. James,
Is he
best
star
friend.
6'9"?
Yeah.
Star 6'7".
Don't
This
talk-
is James.
say it-
Wait, where's speaker?
Say it's Rebecca.
Go. Shh. You need to calm down. Shut up. Hello, it's Rebecca. It's Rebecca. Don't you remember me from the party? Are you going to Bean's house tomorrow?
He hung up. That was great. Now another person.
Oh, we're calling. Okay, we need to calm down. Bye.